Hey guys, welcome back to landdhome and welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We are going to be unboxing some of my favorite home-related Christmas gifts. Now this video is not to say, ooh, look at me, look what I got. It's more to share some of the items that I got in case you want to grab those items too. Valentine's Day is coming up. Birthdays are always coming up. And these are some really amazing items. We are going to be starting here with this 32-piece cookware and bakeware set. This is from the Walmart brand Thyme and Table. I don't think that they have this particular set left, but they do sell separates and they also sell different sets as well. So I will have those linked down below. We got this on a Black Friday deal, so it is a little bit more expensive now, but it is absolutely worth it, especially if someone's having like a housewarming, they're just moving into their new home, or they're in desperate need of some new pots and pans and cookware like we were. It comes with lots of different pieces. I was really excited about that baking pan. I hate doing brownies and things in a glass pan, and I did not have a regular one, so I was excited to have that. I also really love the look of this set. It has a rib design on the outside of all of the pots and pans, and it has this really nice silicone edging on the lids with that beautiful gold kind of bronzy accent on all of the handles. I also really love the lids because they're not quite as deep as some of the other lids for other sets that I've seen. And if you have small storage like we do, all of our lids go into one drawer. It can be like Tetris trying to fit them in there. But these lids fit absolutely perfectly because they are so flat. They are definitely much easier to store than traditional lids on traditional pots and pans. They do have different colors of this set. I believe they have a green one as well as like the green separate pieces. And this, I think this was like a Black Friday like special. Like I know we got it on special, but like I haven't been able to find this set like I said, but they do have one that's very similar in color that's a little bit lighter in color. But I love that one as well. It's got the gold accents and everything, and it is absolutely stunning. You also get some accessories like measuring cups, measuring spoons, spatulas, and this meat thing right here. I have been wanting one of these when we cook ground beef or ground turkey, so I was really excited to have that as well. This set has also been holding up really great. I have not put it in the dishwasher yet. I have been hand washing everything, but the pots and pans come clean really, really easily, and they're absolutely great. I did purchase one extra bigger pot, bigger than the one that you see here, for our stash, which was a little bit extra money. I purchased that on my own, but I will try to have that one linked down below as well because the set didn't come with like a really, really large pan. I said pot, I meant pan, and I really wanted a large pan. But overall, this set is great for anybody that is looking for new cookware. Like I said, housewarming, weddings, anything like that. I absolutely love it. It comes with so many different items to get you started. And it has pretty much everything that you could possibly need to bake or make dinner or anything like that. So let's go ahead and get all of this stuff put away. I am going to be decluttering a little bit as I go so that I can fit all of our new pots and pans into our storage system. This next gift is something that only my fellow Harry Potter fans are going to love, but I know I am not alone out there. I'm not the only adult that loves Harry Potter. They have this actual like official Harry Potter cookbook set that was purchased from Amazon. I will have it linked down below. My husband got me this because he knows I'm obsessed with Harry Potter and it was on my wish list. And there's some really fun recipes in there. They're not all like super practical, but they're definitely super fun, and there's different difficulty levels if you're like an experienced baker or not so much an experienced baker. So I did want to put these up and display them. I did decide to take them out of the box just because blue is not really our vibe, and I put that white one in front, and I did just store the box like down in my craft room. But I absolutely love these, and they're a really great gift if you know someone who is obsessed with Harry Potter like I am. This next one is one of my favorites. It is a towel warmer. This is definitely not a need, okay? But it is a really awesome thing to have, especially if you live in a climate where it gets really chilly like we do. Like we've had a ton of snow here lately and it is so cold. They have a ton of these on Amazon. I will have this one linked down below. It was on a sale when my mom purchased this for me for Christmas, but I do know that they go on sale often from different brands because I have been interested in one of these towel warmers for about 1.5 years, 2 years now. And it was just something that I wasn't going to pull the plunge on myself. But like I said, these items specifically, especially this towel warmer, make amazing gifts for Valentine's Day, just, your person's birthday, wife, girlfriend, husband, even daughter, son, anybody. This is a really, really awesome gift that somebody might not go out and purchase for themselves because they think, okay, that's a little bit extra, but it's a really awesome thing to get. I use this thing absolutely every single day. Now I have moved it into the bathroom. We do have a very tiny bathroom, so it like barely fits in there, but it definitely makes most sense in the bathroom. But if you do not have space in your bathroom, you can absolutely put it in a different room, and have your towel like heating up and just like pop a robe on or something on your way to grab your towel. So it's definitely not for small bathrooms, but like I said, it is absolutely amazing. I use it every single day. It has different functions. It has a 30-minute, an hour, 2-hour, 4-hour. I usually pop on the 30-minute one, and then just get ready in the morning. And then my towel is nice and warm and cozy for me. So anybody who is always cold like I am is definitely going to love a gift like this. This last gift is also something that I have been wanting for a really long time. And again, I just did not want to purchase something like this for myself because I just couldn't justify the price. We did get this on a pretty good sale, and you can find different ones. I will have this particular one linked down below as well as like some other ones that might be a little bit of a lower price. And they always have sales on these too. So maybe not as good as like a Black Friday sale, which is when we got it, but they do have discounts on these items on Amazon all of the time. I absolutely love Amazon. We are currently Amazon affiliates, so go ahead and click those links for us and support us. We would love that. But I really wanted one of these office chairs where you're supposed to be able to cross your legs. And I was really just kind of tired of the chair that I had. It didn't roll. It just wasn't comfortable. It's just like a old like chair that went to like a dining room set or something. And I wanted to be able to sit here and not only work on work because I'm a teacher and I do work from home sometimes, even though those aren't my hours. I do have to plan at home, but I'm also working on YouTube and working on other things, and I want to be comfortable at my desk. So my parents actually bought me this office chair, and it is so pretty. Now, obviously, some assembly is required. You are going to see me struggling here a little bit. It is not that hard to put together. Once you get to like putting the two like heavier pieces together, it was like a little bit tricky to kind of get them interlocked just with one person. So I do suggest having somebody else to like hold that other piece for you when you get to that step, but it's definitely something that you can do on your own. I definitely got it together by myself. It just took a little bit of extra effort. I also waited to rip the plastic off until the end, so I wasn't rubbing it all over the floor or anything. So that's why you're going to see the plastic is still on as I'm putting this together because I wanted it to like stay clean until I sat it up and I was ready to test it out. But this is an amazing gift for someone who has a home office, who maybe works from home, does like virtual things at home, or maybe just for your home office or craft room, or even somebody that wants a more comfortable chair at their actual physical office. This would be an excellent gift for them. So I highly recommend this. Now, I will say if you're a little bit of like a plus size girl or lady like me, you can definitely sit and like cross your legs. It's not quite as wide on the bottom as I was hoping for it to be. So if you're, a bigger person, it's definitely comfortable, but you might not be able to do all of like the cool things that you see all of the people do like in the videos when you're like, you're scrolling on Facebook or Instagram and they pop up and they're like, they got their legs like way close up to them in these chairs. Well, that's not going to work for somebody who is my size, but I can definitely cross my legs on this chair. I can put one leg up. I usually like to sit on one leg anyway. I don't like cross both of them. So that's been really awesome. I can turn like around in this chair. The chair spins. It is just absolutely wonderful. So anybody that's looking for a new office chair, not only is it a very pretty design, but is also a very comfortable design as well. So I highly recommend this one, and it will be down below in the description box. I also did want to say that it comes with this really huge Allen wrench like screwdriver thing, because it's not like a regular screwdriver like a Phillips or a flathead. And usually when they give you like Allen wrenches to put together furniture and stuff, it's really, really tiny. This one came with like a giant one with a really like amazing handle on it. So I thought that was like a really nice touch, that I didn't have to like turn some little tiny thing, that I actually had like a substantial tool to work with that they put in the packaging. So I did want to shout that out because I thought that was really awesome. Not the most flattering of angles, but I was really excited to test out my new chair. Like I said, it's kind of hard to cross both legs just because of my size, but definitely that one leg situation is awesome. And I have been using this chair like almost every single day since I put it together, and it is absolutely amazing, and it looks so much better in this space. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful or at least entertaining, and you got some awesome gift recommendations. Make sure you check out the video and the playlist on the screen, and as always, smash that subscribe button so you can become part of our YouTube family. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!